We tried to find pumpkin carving tools, but we couldn't, so I'm gonna try making one for her. I might need a vise. I don't own a vise. I could have done a lot better with a vise or something. Wait. Needle file.
File?
I think the rough edges will kind of help you carve the pumpkin, though.
Like serration almost.
Yeah.
I think I did it.
Good job. Pull it out.
Oh, good.
So I've got my pumpkin top cut off and a simple design, and I'm going to use my pencil tip, and I've got it propped up with an old tire, and hopefully this will keep the pumpkin from blasting away, and then the guts will shoot right onto our compost pile right there. So give it all she got.
Easier than I expected.
Oh, look at the back.
He blew his brains out.
It's beautiful. Should we cut out the top first?
Yeah.
Try it without cutting the top out.
Why don't you cut the top with the pressure washer?
I like your finger. So this pumpkin's so nice. Kind of ashamed to ruin such a good pumpkin. See, I got that one all prepped nicely. This one we're not going to prep at all because the goal of this is
see what you can do with the pressure washer.
Yeah, see how fast you can do it. We're getting out of the back seat. We're not messing around. Should I do a nose?
Yeah. But you have to test and see if your lid is going to stay on.
Oh. I made it all craggly so that...
Oh, I didn't realize you have a... Yeah, it works. Uh-oh.
That worked really well.
Yeah, you did a good job.
Well, I'm done. Here's my second attempt. No messing around. And I drew a star in the back.
I didn't even ask him to make it. I just was sad that I didn't have one, and now I have one that's better than what comes in like those little kits because it's not all flimsy. The final reveal. The second one you did cracks me up. They look good. Honorable mention for that star. Looks like a starfish, kind of.